Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Wither boss. So these are the pieces you need. First you start with this 1x2 piece in black. So then you put two of them on. So you just get three. That. Then what you do is you get this interesting chair bit in black. And you put it in the middle, like that. I recommend if you just use 1x2 brick and put a smooth 1x2 tile. So I just use this because I feel like that would be too tall. So then you get these two cheese slow bits in black and you put them on like that. You kind of like try to stretch them out if you can, to show the two small heads of your wither boss. This. So then after that is turn it over upside down and get this interesting bit. I recommend black or grey. Well, I only have this colour, so I'll just use it. Well, I don't think they make these in black or grey, so then put on like that. They might make it in grey, but not black though. That. Then there's a few clips you can do. So take this off, and then you can put these two bits on first. So you can do that if it's easier to do, and you just put it on like that. So can you see? You kind of like made it here. Well, I just used two, so this bit can fit on. Well, I only have one grey one. Well, I have another one, but I can't find it though. So I just use two black ones. Then you get this clear, interesting bit. I recommend black. You want to have this clear one. But I don't know if they make any in black. So I just put it on like that. So then last bit is you get another cheese slope bit. And you put it like this. So like that. And now you will finish your Lego Wither boss. Here it is, you can see. Tail is. But this doesn't have a very tight connection. What if you just hit it down like this? It just falls off. But that's the best I can do. Like on my video and subscribe for other on my videos.